Create crawling text animation. First, you need to import your video into CapCut. Click on this import button. Then select your video files. Once after imported the video in CapCut, drag and drop this video onto the timeline. Go to the Stock Media tab. Then select this black background and drag and drop it onto the B-roll track. Then go to the editing panel. Decrease the scale. Click here. Then you'll see this interface. Then decrease the height above 16%. Set the height to 83%. Then go to the Text tab. Here, select this default text. Then drag and drop it onto the C-roll track. Then increase the text track duration according to the black background track. Then go to the editing panel. Paste your own text here. Then change the text scale above 5%. Then go to the timeline. Select the text and background layer. Then right-click on it. Click on Create Compound Clip. Go to the media player and move this text layer to the bottom of the screen. Then go to the editing panel. Click on the Video tab. Then again click here. After that, change the scale width to 199%. Then go to the media player. Move this text layer to the right side. Then go to the transformation option in the editing panel. Then turn on the keyframe to this position. Then go to the timeline. Move the playhead to the text layer ending frame. Then go to the media player and turn this text layer to the left side. After that, you can see the final output of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.